Welcome to our channel. Today we how to apply for travel credit card with American Express, rewards guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your travel spending habits to determine if a travel credit card is right for you. Research different travel credit cards offered by American Express, focusing on the rewards and benefits that suit your needs. Visit the official American Express website to find detailed information about each travel credit card. Compare annual fees, reward structures, and introductory offers to narrow down your options. Check the eligibility requirements for each card you are considering. Gather the necessary documentation, such as income details, social security number, and employment information. Ensure your credit score is in a good range, as this can influence your application approval. Click on the Apply Now button for the chosen card on the American Express website. Fill out the online application form with accurate personal and financial information. Review your application for any errors before submitting it. Submit the application and note the confirmation details for your records. Monitor your email for any updates regarding your application status. If approved, read through the cardholder agreement to fully understand the terms and conditions. Activate your new card according to the instructions provided. Start using your card for travel purchases to earn rewards effectively. Keep track of your rewards to ensure you maximize the benefits of your new travel credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.